Working with Alpha. Anywhere applications and encountered an ADB file. This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange MC7 formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. MC7 files are associated with CAD/CAM machining workflows and are opened by tools such as mill, wire, mill level 3, draft, and KOMO. They may contain machining geometry, toolpath, or job data from older manufacturing software. MC7 files should be opened in compatible CAD/CAM software before conversion. Toolpaths and machine settings can be safety critical, so verify output before using it on equipment. You will typically find mill developed by CNC Software associated with MC7. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safety compression. Windows is limited to basic file details, so full examination requires engineering-focused CAD software. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the MC7 file and choose Open With. Start with mill if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your MC7 file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We're dealing with a highly specific MC7 file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, open in CAD/CAM software. Try the MC7 file in the original machining application or a compatible Mastercam-era module such as mill or wire. Confirm units and coordinate systems after opening. Next, verify toolpaths. Before posting code to a machine, simulate or backplot the toolpath and inspect feeds, speeds, offsets, and stock setup. Do not rely on file opening alone. Finally, export modern formats. If you need to share the design, export a neutral CAD or CAM format from the original software rather than editing the MC7 file manually. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.